Hi, I'm Stephanie Piper and I'm the Community Engagement Coordinator within the Library Makerspace. So the Makerspace is a spot we can come in and do hands-on projects. So we have equipment in here for doing 3D printing, electronics, sewing and crafting, a whole range of gear, and you can just come right in and get started. So if you want to come in and use the 3D printers, you get up to 500 grams of free printing in here. And it doesn't necessarily need to be for coursework related projects. You can get in and do printing for a business idea or any project that you'd like to get in and have a go at doing. I'm really passionate about entrepreneurship and helping students turn the ideas they have into real things. And in the Makerspace, we can take the students through the whole process of making and prototyping something they've had an idea for. So they can come in and learn Fusion 360 software where they can 3D model their idea. Then they can go straight over the 3D printers and print out a copy and look at it and think, wow, I could improve this more. And they can go back to the software and continue that lean iteration cycle to develop their product into something that they can take away as a portfolio piece or try out in industry, whatever they want to make it with. Every semester I can take a few industry placement students who study biomedical sciences. As part of that project, they can spend 15 days working on a project of their choice. So they can come in and choose something that is a learning aid for the science department, or they can also choose something that an industry has pitched as a problem. So we have a fantastic partnership with Toowoomba Hand Therapy, and they've pitched quite a few ideas that have now come to life. And this is a great example project that is probably the most recent one we've finished off with them. And this is actually a mobility trainer. So if you've lost hand mobility, the idea is that you can grab this and there's a little marble that sits in there and you can spin this around and you can challenge yourself to spell words, complete the puzzle. And a student designed this from scratch, which is pretty fantastic. And we've actually printed about 5 of these that Toowoomba Hand Therapy keeps, and they're already out with clients in the community being used right now. And the student also gets to take this home as a portfolio piece as well. So they'd be able to go to a job interview and bring it with them and show them what they've made, which is a really powerful indicator of what skills they have and what they're capable of. I also teach a range of workshops in the Makerspace, so you can come in and learn skills around Arduino and electronics, so how to make your own inventions to test your idea or make a product example. I also teach Fusion 360, 3D modeling, 3D printing, how to build a website, all kinds of great opportunities where you can come in and get those hands-on skills to get your ideas on the road. Running students through the industry placement program where they get to come in and make something through the Makerspace is such a powerful way to serve both industry and the student at the same time. So everyone wins. The student comes in and has no skills generally. They start from scratch and they learn 3D modeling software, 3D printing, depending on what their project is. So they may also learn Arduino electronics, they might learn Adobe Illustrator and make an educational poster. And they're always choosing a project that's really closely aligned with their career interests. So whatever project they take away, it's really going to be a powerful help for them along their career when they graduate. Bringing their finished project to a job interview, taking it away and showing, someone as part of a networking, it all just really shows, how capable that student is and what they can do. So this here is a Cast for Broken Bones project that we did in collaboration with the Toowoomba Base Hospital. And so to make this, I was able to 3D scan my own arm, and this one's designed to fit me exactly. And it shows what's possible when we think about prototyping for, a real person. So currently casts are big and heavy, and something like this gives you a lot more aeration and breathability. It means you can go for a shower, go for a swim. And this kind of custom medicine, is what we can really look at doing with the 3D printing technology that we have right now. So teaching students the skills to make projects like these is going to be so important. If you'd like to visit the Makerspace, you're very welcome to. So anyone can pop in for a tour on weekdays between 9 till 4. You're also welcome to attend any of the workshops that we teach in here too. We'll see you there.